Hey everyone, welcome back to Saru's Chronicle. If you're working with dates in Power BI or want to create dynamic reports that update automatically, then this video is for you. Today, we are covering the powerful today function in DAX and we will be using an Excel dataset to demonstrate real world examples. So, stick around. Before we dive into the today function, let's quickly import our Excel dataset into Power BI. Click on Home, then click on Get Data, so we will get that Excel dataset. Select your file and open it. Choose your table and click Load. For this tutorial, our dataset contains order date, due date, and sales amount. Now let's apply the today function. So, what does the today function do? It simply returns the current date based on your system's time zone, and the best part, it updates automatically. That's it, no parameters needed. Now let's use it in real world scenarios. So, first example, I'm going to show the first example. Let's say we want to calculate total sales for today's orders from our Excel dataset. So, how you can create a DAX measure for today's sales? So, I will repeat it. Today's sales equal to calculate of sum. Whole sum of sales. Sales is the data set. Of that we are taking sales amount. From that we are filtering sales order data of sales data set that is equal to today. So what's happening here? We use sum to total sales. Then we apply a filter where order date equal to today. Every time you open this report, this measure will only show today's sales. Now I am also going to show example 2, that is highlighting orders due today using today function. Now let's use today to check if an order is due today. So we will create a calculated column in Power BI that flags today's due orders. So I will repeat that DAX formula, that is due today is equal to if sales of due of date equal to today, then it's due today, else it is not due. So here we are using if formula. And I will explain this function, that is if the due date matches today it shows due today, otherwise it shows not due. Now let's apply some conditional formatting to highlight overdue orders in red. So before we wrap up, here are a few important things to note. Today returns only the date. It does not include the time. If you need the current date and time, use now instead. Today updates only when you refresh your report in Power BI. And that's how we use the today function in Power BI with an Excel dataset. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Power BI content. Drop a like in the comments, drop any comments if you're excited to using this your reports. See you in the next video.